Hey guys, nice to see you. Welcome back to PKT's channel. It's Cici. Do you know fuel pump? How does fuel pump work while driving and how long does it work? If you are interested in the story behind it, follow me to Master Injection, the leading enterprise of fuel pump. The fuel pump is located inside of a high-cool fuel tank, sucks the fuel, then pressurizes and sends it to the engine through the fuel supply line. It makes driving more powerful and accelerate more smoothly. Do you know that our fuel pump comes with a 3-year warranty of 100,000 kilometers? This is equivalent to a lifetime warranty for personal drivers. What a great promise! Why do we dare to make such an amazing promise? Let's move on. Now we are in the raw material room of the fuel pump. You can see that they are all placed on the pallets orderly to protect the performance of the materials from damp ground. All the raw materials are directly transferred to the injection molding machine through these seal tubes without contacting the outside world to ensure the stability of material performance. It is impressive that they are fully automated to produce and process by robots. Now I'm in the production workshop of the rotor, the key part to the fuel pump. Behind me is a whole automatic production line, which is an accumulation of more than 30-year manufacturing experience. Such a tiny rotor covers 38 processes. Can you imagine how much time and effort it would take if these 38 processes were manufactured by hands, and how the accuracy of each part could be ensured? Do you see these smaller parts? These little dense things are even smaller than a fingernail. It's killing my eyes by staring at them. How to put them precisely into the little parts? There must be a mess if the operations manual. We've been investing in this automatic machine over 30 years. This technical asset ensures the performance and the stability of our products. Through more than 20 automatic production processes, dozens of such small components are precisely processed and installed to ensure that the tiny details of each fuel pump are in place. Do you know what this golden thing is? Yes, it is gold. But why do we use such a luxury and noble material in this part? Well, this is the fuel level contact of the fuel pump, which is often rubbed and easy to oxidize. Our double gold-plated process makes dots withstand more than 3 million rubs. Gold is an extremely corrosion-resistant material. It has not only a great conductivity, but also a great element to extend the service life of our fuel pump. Now you know that our lifetime warranty is not an empty promise. These tiny details and changes make our products remarkable. There is an old saying, details determine success or failure. It is our conviction to have high standards for product details and win the customer's trust. Providing a safe and comfortable driving experience is a key motivation that pushes us further in every process of production. That's the reason we are the fuel pump OEM of Chinese famous automobile group Chang'an Oshun, and our products covers all over the world. If you want to know more details, follow us or contact us through the following ways. See you in the next video. Bye!